So the good news for today is that home sales in top cities have jumped 134% on a QOQ basis, and in such a tough time, we are seeing that consumers are going and looking at residential estates, and they are expected to maintain this uptrend by the market experts is what they are saying. Now obviously, what is attracting them? The record low home loan rates, the discounts, the incentives which are offered by developers, the lower taxes, all this is helping the Indian residential property sector to overcome the pandemic induced slowdown. So that is why we are seeing a nice growth, and home buyers are making most of these offers and factors, including financial benefits, flexible payment plans as well are being offered by builders. So this is what is attracting the consumers. Now overall, market experts do believe that the latest sales activity right in the middle of the pandemic indicated the worst is over for residential real estate, and it will continue to show an uptrend from now onwards. So we could be seeing a nice growth coming in on a quarter-on-quarter basis for the residential estate space as well. Now overall, like I mentioned before, 134% growth is what we have seen on a quarter-on-quarter basis. So the overall sales value in 2020 has been the highest for the Mumbai Metropolitan Region at 49,313 crores, and it is followed by Bangalore at around 12,569 crores and around 9,430 crores in the NCR region. Now obviously, that is a very strong growth that we have been seeing. Now let's compare it. Pre-COVID levels, quarter of Jan to March had registered home sales worth around 46,306 crores, while the first 9 months of the year has recorded sales of 88,730 crores. Against last year's the same period, the sales were 1,54,320 crore. So we obviously, the pandemic has impacted the sector, but a good growth is what we are seeing, and it's not that bad if you go to see on a year-on-year basis, but it is obviously the impact is seen, but clearly signs and indications of revival and growth coming back in the sector is surely very positive. Now overall, both Hiranandani and Mr. Puri believe that the overall green shoots are visible in the sector, as home sales registrations have also increased and providing more definitive evidence for improving home buyer sentiment and gradual revival in this sector. So big voices also believe that there is some revival, recovery, and are positive on the sector, and consumers are surely going out and buying and making most of the benefits that are given, the discounts, the loan rates, the financial plans and benefits of flexible payment is what consumers are and customers are surely looking at while buying the flat.